All right, in this video, this is our last of the three planes, and I think this one is usually my favorite of all the planes. So again, we're going to start exactly as we did before. Lining up our corners, folding our edges in. And then as we've done so far the whole time, we're just going to bring those two corner edges in, try to keep them as perfect into the center as possible. And fold. See if we can get a centerpiece there. And of course, one side is longer than the other, just as I did before. We want to try to keep that from happening because, again, when we're making paper airplanes, we want to make sure that the symmetry is set. One side is equal to the other. So it's balanced. We want our plane to be balanced. Now, instead of pulling it down to make a perfect triangle, I'm going to actually pull it down longer than that. So you'll get two flat sides here. It won't actually be a perfect triangle. It'll kind of go out and then straight across. And once I get that, I'm actually going to fold it again on both sides, almost like I'm making a little card. And make sure that my corners are equal. Okay. And next, we're going to bring our edges in. And in this one, we're going to make a bigger angle here, not as drastic of an angle, so it's a little bit more like almost like a 45-degree angle, just not there yet, but somewhere around an inch of space here. We'll line it up again. Okay, I'll fold this up just to see where I'm at. It looks good. I'll fold this guy over, which should hold my two wings in together a little bit. Keep the shape of the design. And now on this one, before what I did was I folded it so that it was parallel. So this fold here was parallel to the bottom. This time I'm going to fold it so that the edge corners of the wings are lined up with the base of the plane. So now this part is lined up, and this is no longer parallel to the bottom. It's, you know, a bit of an angle there. I believe they call this a wasp, but I don't know. I'm not really that into paper airplanes to know all the names of them. All right, so now I've got my paper airplanes done. And this is the plane that I like the best, based on the way I throw a paper airplane. But your way might be like my son's, where he gets good distance out of this one here. And a lot of kids in my class make the dart. So these are our three different types of paper airplanes. And, you know, we want you to make those three different types and then just practice throwing them and find out which one you like best. Good luck.